Change all my shit out, bro.
Gutted cats. It's open header right now. We got to blow the rest of the cat out before we hook it back up. So it's basically open header. 2017 SS 50th anniversary.
Alright, hold on to what you got.
Just waiting on that check engine light to come on.
A lot of hard work you have to pay for it too. I'll just watch out.
Alright, go ahead.
It doesn't sound bad now.
Not that bad. It sounds horrible when it's idling. It sounds good. It's loud for them because it's dumped under the car. And the back pressure is going to be slow as fuck, dude. I'm telling you.
I know.
He didn't listen to me. I told him it's going to be slow. He should know this.
He's going to get turd. Right, he's going to be worse than what he was before.
Yeah, he's probably like, oh my gosh.
Oh my god, this shit fast.
Alright, now rev it. Alright, you can go ahead.